Notice from the Archdiocese of Samoa Pia. Job description, position title, Manager, Aosa Catholic Media Ministry, Upumana Tv4 and IFC Radio. Primary objectives. The manager is responsible for the overall leadership, management and development of Archdiocese of Samoa Pia Catholic Media Communication as the Catholic, community-focused telecasting and broadcasting services. The role ensures that the station faithfully reflects and supports the mission, teachings and pastoral priorities of the Church, provides high-quality, relevant content for the Catholic community and people of Samoa, especially in the Samoan language, while maintaining high professional standards for broadcasting and digital engagement, operates in a financially responsible, legally compliant, and technically reliable environment. Key responsibilities. First, strategic leadership and mission alignment. Second, operational and financial management. Third, content, programming, and audience engagement. Fourth, people leadership and team development. Fifth, income generation, sponsorship, and partnerships. Sixth, governance, reporting, and risk management. Seventh, stakeholder and community engagement. Qualifications and experience. Tertiary qualification in business management, media and communications, or a related field, or equivalent qualification. Significant experience in media, broadcasting, communications, or a related sector, ideally with leadership responsibility. Demonstrated experience in marketing, budgeting, financial oversight, and organizational management. Minimum of 5 years experience working in the media communication sector, preferably with church, faith-based, or community organizations. Personal attributes. Practicing Catholic or has strong respect for and commitment to Catholic values and mission. High level of integrity, confidentiality, and professionalism. Commitment to serving the people of Samoa and supporting the pastoral mission of the Church. Remuneration package. Salary will be between 64,000 tala and 75,000 tala per annum, depending on proven experience and qualifications. There will be salary movement and performance bonus to be discussed with the successful candidate. The full job description can be obtained from the AOSA office on telephone 20400 or email jansuary@aosacatholic.ws. All applications must be submitted to email jansuary@aosacatholic.ws by close of business on Friday, 15th of May, 2026.